Hey people, welcome to the first ever video on Compute Ghana TV. I'm your host Rickaquaog, and on this channel we are going to be showcasing a whole lot of tech with you guys, ranging from home appliances, laptops, phones, your everyday tech need. We're going to share everything you need to know about these devices with you to help you make a purchasing decision if you're in the market of picking any of these up, and we have everything installed. To begin with, today we're checking out the HP SPECTRE line. The HP SPECTRE line will let you discover a whole new way to unleash your creativity and productivity with one of the most powerful and versatile laptops available, and there are a lot. But today, we're checking out the HP SPECTRE X360 convertible. This is a premium laptop from HP that comes with a whole lot of flexibility in terms of how to use your laptop. To begin with, let's check out what comes in the box when you decide to pick one of these up. The first accessory you are greeted with is a nice braided charger, definitely a USB-C, a fast charger too at 65 watts, capable of charging up to 50% in just 30 minutes. You also get a stylus in the box, and it has changeable tips. Really cool. Definitely something artists are going to enjoy, or for people that like taking notes and the likes. And checking it out closely, this is powered by USB-C ports on the side and has two buttons that are customized in the settings from your PC. You also get this nice carrying bag in the box to help prevent accidental scratches anytime you are handling your device. So now let's check out the main device, the SPECTRE X360 convertible itself. My first impressions were, wow, this looks really cool. It kind of looks like a Ferrari of laptop. The shape, design, the form factor, and how cute it is, but still packing a whole lot of power that I can't wait to share with you guys. This is an all metal build and has this matte finish to it, so you don't end up getting a whole lot of smudges anytime you decide to handle this device. The design is beautiful. I like the cut side on the edges. It makes it stand out. They actually placed the USB-C charging ports in there. Let's quickly check out the I/O. You get two Thunderbolt 4 ports, one super speed USB type A port, one headphone and microphone combo, and a micro SD card reader. Literally everything you ever need right here in this small cute form factor. The device is really light, and you shouldn't have any issues carrying it around on your day-to-day activities. Now let's check out the display. For the display, you get a Full HD Plus 13.5-inch diagonal display. This is an IPS panel, has multi-touch enabled, covers 100% sRGB spectrum, comes with a Corning Gorilla Glass, and gets bright to about 1000 nits, and has a 60 Hz refresh rate. Apart from it having a Full HD screen, which looks really decent and pretty, has amazing colors, artists, casual note takers, and people who like using the stylus are going to have a field day with this guy. The fact that this comes with a Corning Gorilla Glass means you can feel free and take all the notes you want on the screen, and it's going to handle it like a champ. And the stylus can easily be charged with a USB-C port on the side. And when not in use, check this out. This literally sticks to the side of the laptop by magnets. This is really cool. So you wouldn't worry about losing your stylus anytime you decide to take it out. They even have some apps like 3D Paint already installed, and the feeling of writing and not experiencing so much latency makes using the stylus a joy to use. Interacting with your laptop interface is fun with the stylus. And when watching content on here, the speakers on here are made by Bang & Olufsen, so you should know what kind of sound you should expect. And up there on the small bezels of the screen, you get a 720p webcam for all your video call conferencing. And it still comes with some really small bezels, even though we have some ambient light sensors and a webcam all stashed up in the top bezel up there. This is really cool. And if you ever wondered why this is called the X360, let me show you. This actually bends all the way around. Wow. You get a tablet mode from doing this, and just imagine all the flexibility this is going to give you. drawing your artworks, retouching photos in Photoshop, note-taking in lecture halls, anything, you name it. You can get a landscape mode also, and also rotate it to get a portrait mode, as simple as that. Don't worry, once in this mode, the keyboards don't actually work, so it's going to prevent you from accidentally pressing your keyboard anytime you decide to handle it this way. Let me know in the comment section what you like to do with this if you ever have a chance to play with something like this. When it comes to performance, this laptop comes with the Intel Core i7. It runs at 4.7 GHz with the Intel Turbo Boost technology. And this comes with Windows 10 installed, which can be upgradable to Windows 11. And for graphics, you get the Intel Iris X, you get 6 GB of RAM and 2 TB of storage. For the wireless connectivity, this supports the best in both fields. For the Wi-Fi, you get a Wi-Fi 6, and for the Bluetooth, you get Bluetooth 5.0, which supports gigabyte file transfer speeds. This is to say, this is plenty good for most of the things you like to do with your personal PC. Getting work done, casually enjoying content, holding it around in a tablet mode for a tablet experience, and even the gamers, this should be fine for most of your gaming. When it comes to security, this has an inbuilt fingerprint sensor, so no more typing of password every time you want to get into your PC. It also comes with a really cool feature that turns your camera off when not in use. So if you're one of those guys that always want to cover your webcam, there's actually no need for that. This is inbuilt into your keyboard and it's going to shut off your camera anytime you are not using it. The keyboard feels really good, has amazing travel and click feel. It is backlit, so whilst using your PC in the dark, you shouldn't have any issues with that. For batteries, you get a 4-cell 66WH Li-ion polymer battery that should last you for almost the whole day. Specifically, you get up to 15 hours and 45 minutes, which will depend on what you're doing with your laptop. But for video playback, this is going to last you for about 16 hours and 30 minutes. With all this said, it's certain the SPECTRE X360 has a whole lot going for it. It has an amazing design and a whole lot of air vents for better cooling. It has a really capable processor for all your computing needs for your day-to-day activities. It has a 360 bending hinge screen for all your laptop positions you desire. It comes with a stylus for interacting with your laptop, which makes it easy for taking notes, signing documents, drawing, and more. Batteries are really good. You don't have to carry your charger everywhere you go. And you can see this checks almost all the boxes of a very good laptop. This brings us to the end of today's episode on Compute Ghana TV. Leave in the comment sections any questions you have about this guy, because I'm always there to help you answer them. Also, leave in the comment sections any devices that you want to be seen featured on this channel in the later episode. Subscribe to this channel if you like content like this. Share with anybody that is into the market of looking for a very capable laptop. Thank you for spending time with me, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace. I'm out.